What is up, everyone? This is your boy, Mr. Product Reviews, and today we will be doing a review on the Alienware 510H gaming, also 7.1, sorry, 7.1 gaming headset or headphone. So as you can see, this is still in its plastic. So in the next portion, I will remove this plastic, and then we'll do a quick 360 around the box. All right, so as you can see, I got the plastic removed, and now let's do a quick 360 around the box. And so this is the front of it, and 7.1 surround sound, and it looks like it's Discord certified. And you can kind of see the Alienware logo over here. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but you can kind of see it. And a whole bunch of cool little emboss around the box. I thought that's pretty nice. Alienware 510H 7.1 gaming headset. And let's see what's on the side. So the side is pretty simplistic too. I don't know what that says. Oh, yes, that's 510H on it. So this is the side of the box. And what's behind it? Let's see. So just, you know, lots of features and stuff like that. So I would just kind of like move this from top to bottom, and feel free to pause the video should you want to. Looks like it's a USB headphone jack, yada 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 yada. More technical information, and so this is the side of it, the other side of it. So you got the 7.1, the frequency range, USB 3.5 jack, 50 millimeter. I'm not sure what this is, but I guess we'll find out. And then what's on the bottom? So just, you know, some technical information, SKUs, and what have you. So there you go. This is a quick around the box. In the next part, I will unbox it, and then we'll see what's inside. Welcome to the unboxing part of this video, and the unboxing part is pretty simple actually. To quickly unbox this, there's a little kind of like tab over here, and then you just kind of strip it from left to right, and then pretty much after that you can pretty much easily pull out the box. So so I'm gonna pull out the box just like this, and what's inside, let's check it out. So I pulled it from the back, and so this is kind of like what it looks like inside. So that's a headphone, and this sort of fell off. So we'll kind of go through this, you know, in here to see what kind of stuff is in here. I'm kind of curious. Probably like instruction manual. Oh, I just broke open the box. Oh well, who cares? So looks like, so comes with this, and looks like Alienware card. So you can follow them. And I don't know why I have so many. Why is there so many? Gear up, throw down. So thank you for joining us, family part. I don't know why I have two. Why do I have two? But anyway, I guess one, you could give one to your friends, I guess. Oh yeah, yep, technical jargon, legality stuff, which I don't read. So I don't think most people read any of this stuff anyway. So again, just lots of these stuff like that most of us don't care about. It's like, can you get to the product demonstration already? Damn it, right? Okay, sorry. So I just wanted to give you guys a complete overview of what's inside. So this is the product. I'm gonna see, is it easy to take it out? Oh, there's something. Oh, I see. There's these little tab here, so be very careful. So there's these styrofoam tab here. So I'm gonna take these styrofoam tabs out real quick. Yeah, just to hold the camera. Hold the headphone. So there you go. This is the headset. I don't know anything about this headset. I got this as a Christmas gift from one of my buddy. But I thought I should do a review on it. I don't know what this thing. Oh, this is a button. I don't know what this does yet. So, but I'm sure. Oh, I see. Oh, I see. This is like maybe like a. Oh, I see. So this is like a microphone that comes out. Oops. Yeah, microphone that comes out. I'm gonna push it back in though for the time being. I usually just, I game by myself. I don't usually game online. Alienware logo over here. Looks like there's some plastic I could peel off. Yeah, so Alienware logo on this side. It's pretty nice. Pretty nice. I got some cushion. Sorry. On the ear muff area here. So big L to let you know. Left ear, I assume. Big R. Okay. Yep. got that right. So R, left and right. So you know, you can't mess that up. So you could kind of turn this too. So like, you know, so you can really config this to your ear, right? Looks like there's still some styrofoam here. Like, am I supposed to take these out? I'm assuming so. Yeah, probably, yeah. I'll take it out later, possibly. I don't know if that's supposed to be on there or not. You know, I think you can take this out. I'm having a hard time. Maybe I'll take it out later. But there you go. Headphone, the actual product, the star of this review. I wonder if there's anything else. I'm sure there is. So, oh yeah, so there's like a little headphone jack, headphone icon here. So be cognizant of that. So there's like, yeah, looks like there's more stuff down here. So let's see what is in here. So yeah, you got the headphone jack, and again, it is plastic, the Alienware logo. So headphone jack, and what is this? This is a headphone to USB jack, and again, it is plastic. So I'll take this part out. Cool, and looks like this is like a split left and right. So I guess this is the 7.1. So I guess there's a lot of jacks that needs to be plugged in. So I guess what in my next part is I'm going to just kind of like hook this up on my computer to find out what's the dealio and check out the sound quality and everything else, and I will report back. All right, so I basically hooked this headphone up to my Alienware PC, and if you are interested in an Alienware PC, I also did a review on that. So you know, just scroll through my channel, and you should be able to see my review on the Alien PC tower that I did a review on. I think probably, I don't know, 6 months ago or so, or probably longer than that. But this pairs really well. This Alienware headphone that my buddy gave me. So I did a couple of tests. So one, I did a test on a kind of like, you know, on a video game that's, you know, indie title that probably doesn't have all the bells and whistles compared to, you know, the AAA games. So I did a test on that. And then I ran another test running Borderlands 3 with, you know, 7.1 surround sound, and just to see, you know, how that compares. And also, I also did a test on just, you know, using this headphone to, you know, just watch some movie like on Netflix or what have you, just to kind of compare, to see kind of like what kind of experience that I get. And first of all, you know, if you're playing games or you're watching movies or whatever, you know, you're gonna spend a lot of time, right, having this headphone, you know, on top of your head. And how does it feel, right? And this is this headphone is it's very lightweight. I mean, don't let the size fool you. It might look heavy, but it's not that heavy. So it's really, you know, it's just, you know, feels like there's almost nothing on top of your head. It's really light. And then these little muff right here definitely help cushion your ear. So like, for example, like for myself, I wear glasses as well. So, you know, if you have some muff that doesn't, if you have some earpieces that doesn't have this muff here, it's gonna really pinch against the plastic. And plus, you already have a frame, you know, around, you know, your glasses. That's gonna, like, you know, basically pinches, you know, on, you know, around your temple area, and it's just not, you know, it doesn't feel that good if you're wearing a headset for a prolonged period of time. And this one, because it's light and it has these little cushioning, it actually feels really, really nice. I spent about 2 hours on this headphone, and I just feel like very comfortable with it. And so when I, you know, was playing an indie game, you know, with this headphone, you know, without all the bells and whistles, with all the different audio settings that you get, you know, from like an indie game, I didn't find that big of a difference between a Bluetooth wireless headphone that I've been using versus this one. Now, however, when I used this on Borderlands 3, and I had the surround sound turned on and, you know, all that jazz, I definitely feel there are a difference with this pair of headphones compared to my Bluetooth headset. I mean, the quality is day and night, at least to me. So and then I use this for movies and things like that, and you know, it, to me, I can't really tell the difference between the two. I can't really tell the difference between like my regular Bluetooth headset versus this one. But if you're kind of like a audiophile, and sound really means a lot to you, and you're willing to pay for willing to pay for that premium and want that premium, then this is the headphone that's for you. I don't think this headphone costs too much. I don't think I think it's I could be wrong, but I believe, because this is a gift from my buddy, I believe it's around $100-ish for a headphone. And to me, for the sound quality that you get, and plus the brand name Alienware is actually not that bad in my opinion. So if you like the brand Alienware and you want the quality, then I would say this is the headphone to go. But with the understanding that you want to have games and also movies and whatnot that have that 7.1 capability, because if you don't have it, then I would be like, just get a decent headphone, a Bluetooth headphone, and you're good. So would I recommend this? Yes, I would recommend this if you are heavy into the whole 7.1 or even 5.1 surround sound quality. Then I would say definitely go with that. And also you got to have the games and movies or what have you that supports that, right? Because if it doesn't, then I would say go for the cheaper version. But this is a very good headphone. I like the fact that it's lightweight, as I mentioned before, and it has these little air muff. It really fits nicely. And then because it turns like that, and also it kind of has this little slight angle too, so it fits very comfortable for on my head. And everybody have a different head configuration. Everyone is a little bit different, right? So like this definitely helps with that. So yeah, so basically this is my review on the Alienware 510H 7.1 gaming headset. And if you enjoy this video, please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. And if there's any additional information, such as where to buy this headphone and whatnot, there's going to be a links and information in the video description below of this video. So feel free to check those out as well. And other than that, thank you for watching. Mr. Product Reviews out.